Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I would like to share my understanding of digital marketing based on our Sulam project with Eddie Malni Barbershop. From what I have learned, digital marketing is the use of websites, social media, mobile phones, search in and other digital platform to promote products and services. It helps businesses reach more customers through the internet. During phase 1, our group visited Eddie Malni Barbershop and interviewed the owner. We found that the business mainly use word of mouth marketing. Most customers were friends, family members, and people living nearby. The owner also used WhatsApp for bookings, but the business did not have a Google business profile or a proper online platform. Because of this, many new customers could not find the barbershop online. From this phase, I understood that digital marketing is important because it helps businesses become more visible. If customer cannot find a business on Google or social media, it is difficult for the business to grow. In phase 2, we create a digital marketing strategy using the 7P marketing mix. We suggested using Google Business Profile, Linktree, WhatsApp Business, TikTok, Instagram and Facebook to promote the business. This relates to digital marketing because businesses can use different online channels to reach more customers. We also suggest creating haircut transformation videos, customer reviews and promotional posts. This type of content can attract more people and increase customer engagement. Another thing I learned is that digital marketing helps businesses reach the right customer and measure their result. For example, when the owner posts video on TikTok or Instagram, he can see how many people watch, like, comment or share the content. This information helps the owner know what customer like and improve future marketing. Finally, in phase 3, we implemented our ideas. We create a Google business profile, a Linktree landing page, and a WhatsApp business communication system for Eddie Malni Barbershop. These digital tools made it easier for customer to find the barbershop, see the location, check the operating hour, and book appointment. The owner also learned how to manage this digital platform by himself. This shows that digital marketing is not only about promoting products but also improving customer service and making the business more professional. However, digital marketing also has some challenge. Business need to keep updating their social media, create interesting content and follow new trend because technology change very quickly. Finally, I learned that digital marketing is very important for small business like Eddie Malni Barbershop. It helps businesses reach more customer, improve communication, build trust and grow their business. Through our Sulam project in phase 1, 2 and 3, I understood how digital marketing can change a small business from using traditional marketing to using digital platform for better business growth. That's all from me. Thank you.